Welcome to today's video, where we explore the millionaire mindset, the essential habits and strategies that distinguish wealthy individuals from the rest. 1. Clear goals. Millionaires set clear, specific goals to provide direction and purpose in their financial endeavors. 2. Continuous learning. They prioritize continuous learning and self-improvement, especially in areas related to finance and investing. 3. Embracing risk. Successful individuals understand the importance of calculated risks to achieve higher rewards. 4. Persistence and resilience. They demonstrate unwavering persistence and resilience in the face of challenges and setbacks. 5. Focus on assets. Wealthy individuals prioritize acquiring and building income-generating assets over liabilities. 6. Diversification. They diversify their investments across different asset classes to manage risk effectively. 7. Passive income streams. Creating multiple streams of passive income is a key strategy for building wealth over time. 8. Positive mindset. Maintaining a positive attitude and mindset allows them to overcome obstacles and seize opportunities. 9. Strategic spending. They practice disciplined spending habits, focusing on investments that provide long-term value. 10. Network and relationships. Building and nurturing relationships with mentors, peers, and industry experts opens doors to new opportunities and insights. 11. Long-term vision. They think and plan strategically for the long term, avoiding short-sighted decisions that could compromise their financial goals. 12. Adaptability. Remaining adaptable and agile in response to market changes and economic trends is crucial for sustained success. 13. Philanthropy and giving back. They understand the importance of giving back to their communities and supporting charitable causes. 14. Financial discipline. Maintaining strict financial discipline, including budgeting and managing cash flow, is a cornerstone of their financial strategy. 15. Personal development. Investing in personal growth and development, including skills and mindset, enhances their ability to succeed. 16. Innovation and creativity. They embrace innovation and creativity in finding new ways to generate wealth and solve problems. 17. Gratitude and abundance mindset. Practicing gratitude and cultivating an abundance mindset reinforces their belief in unlimited possibilities and opportunities. Conclusion. By adopting these 17 habits and strategies, you can begin cultivating your own millionaire mindset. Start implementing these principles today to accelerate your journey towards financial success and independence.